going to show you adaptive threat intelligence system, which is built using Python and Flask. So to run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location and type python app.py. Copy this address and paste it on any browser. This is our project's index page. This project has two modules, admin and user. So admin credentials are admin and admin. This is the admin's dashboard. You can view the dataset stats. And pre-process the data which is uploaded by admin. And start training the models. Here is the training workflow. And the best performing model is logistic regression. We got 99.45% accuracy. These are the accuracy comparison graphs. We have used three algorithms: logistic regression, decision tree and KNN. Every algorithm performed well. Here are the feedbacks which are uploaded by the user. So here admin checks all the users' feedbacks, and admin can also monitor the users who are registered. Logout. Next module is user module. So users should first register. After registration, user can start using our application. So first we need to log in. So we can start prediction. Let me enter some sample data. And we got prediction as normal. So if you enter a different data, it will give a different results. Here is my feedback history. Here is my feedbacks.